Okay, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded anything, but I have been on eBay again, and I picked me up some stuff. Msi Radeon RX570 8GB broken. So, this should be fun. But I didn't stop there. I have another RX570 8GB. And I have another RX570 8GB. So yeah, I bought 3 of them. All off eBay, not working. Also, the description said they were used for mining. So I'm curious to see what kind of damage has happened to them, if they're repairable. Yeah, I'm very excited to dig into these. Further my education on graphics cards, and if I can get them working, that would be very exciting. So, without further ado, let's dig into one of these. Actually, first, I'm going to unbox all of them and see what we got. So we'll start with the one with the most damaged box. Alright, take these out. Well, looks like somebody has done something with the test. Tested it with something, marked them. Fans feel okay. Yeah, there's quite a bit of dust still inside there. I know some of those mining guys, they run these things just crazy hot. Yeah, we'll see how much life is left in these cards. But overall, even has the plugs in there. Pins look okay. Okay, so that's card 1. Yeah, I'm gonna mark the sticker on it, so I know which is which. We'll go, this one is number 1. That's a nice looking card though. Actually, this will probably be the first one we look at, so no point in putting it back in the bag. Okay, we'll go with this one. Another red sticker. Very nice. Why does it have lines in there? Sticker's got lines. Does the other one have it too? No? Yeah, pins look fine. Yeah, the warranty sticker I think is broken on all of them. I would sure hope that if these things were used for mining, that at some point in their life they would have the thermal paste replaced. So yeah. Oh, this guy didn't have the cover, so I'm wondering. There we go. Now the one pin in there, a little bit discolored. We'll focus on it. Come on, you can do it. Nah, you can't do it. Okay. That's number 2. And last but not least, number 3. It's got the cover on there. Oh yeah, she's caked up pretty good with dust. Pins look nice. I don't see any obvious like burnt spots on any of these cards. Yeah, it's the Radeon RX570 Gaming X 8GB. So hopefully I can repair them. That'd be pretty sweet. Once again, it's got the covers on it. Oh, this one has a yellow sticker on it, not a red. Oh, this is number 3. Okay. Whoa. These are just nice looking cards. I like them. Okay, this is just a quick introduction on the cards I'll be working on for the next little bit. Hopefully, I can release these videos in a rapid succession. I don't know if they're going to be in order yet or what, all depending the way that they go. But yeah, please stay tuned, and this should be pretty fun.